Hello and welcome back to another Python video. In this video we're going to be making a coin flip, a virtual coin flip program. So a coin flip is very random. So because of that we're going to need to import the random module. And then we're going to define the function coin flip, and then we're going to call the function at the end to see if it works or not. So let's get started. So first we want to print, what do we want to print? We want to print, let's say welcome. Let's just say welcome only. I don't need to yap too much. Okay, welcome. And then we're going to say while true, because this needs to be a while loop that's going to keep running until we tell it to stop, or we want it to stop. So while true, what do we want to do? That rhymes, but whatever. So the result is going to be random dot choice, and if you've been following my previous projects, this will slowly start to get very familiar and you will pretty much get the hang of it, and it'll be very easy. So it's going to be, you know, random dot choice, and it's going to, what are the two choices? Either heads or it's going to be tails. Moving on, we are going to be printing print, and then we're going to say the choice, or let's say the coin landed on, and then of course we're going to say heads or tails, but this needs to be an printf statement because of that. And then we're going to call the result function, or the result variable, sorry, because here it's going to make a random dot choice of heads or tails. So it's going to choose either heads or it's going to choose tails, and then it's going to store that in result, and here we're going to be printing the result. So I hope that makes sense so far, and that's it. But what if we want to try it again? So we're going to call an again variable, or initialize an again variable, and it's going to have an input, and it's going to ask you, do you want to flip again? And let's make it easier for the user. We're going to say yes/no. So you're going to need to input yes or no. And then we want to make it dot lower just in case they have all caps on or something. And then we're going to move on and say if again not equals to the string yes, then we want to print goodbye. And then we want to break, of course. But if not, then if it is yes, then it won't run this, and therefore it will not print goodbye, and it will not break out of the loop, so the loop will keep running. So I hope it works now. I hope everything is good. Let's try it out. Welcome, the coin landed on heads. Flip again, yes or no. So one thing I want to point out here is we said if again not equals yes. So this is only about the word yes, Y-E-S. If we say anything else, it'll be considered a no. So if I say this, for example, it's a no, so it's going to say goodbye. If I say no, it's going to say goodbye, and it's going to break out of it. Whatever I say other than yes, it will say goodbye and break out of the loop. But if I say yes, it landed on heads, we say yes. Landed on tails, we say yes. It's going to keep playing as long as I keep saying yes. But as soon as I say anything else, it's going to say goodbye. So let's run it again, play again, tails, and so on and so forth. Heads, heads, and you can keep saying yes to keep playing, and so on and so forth. So that's it for the virtual coin flip. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you enjoyed or learned something new, please like and subscribe. And of course, the full code will be down in the comments below. So I'll see you guys in the next one.